The market fails to break out and sells off. Are the bulls dead? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market failed to break out yesterday and actually sold off, bringing one of our alt counts to the forefront as the new primary path. Now the question is, can the bulls hold support or are they dead? I'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, if you've been watching the videos, you know, but quick housekeeping, I do have a sick family member I will be spending some time with, so if I am not on YouTube for a day or a few days, that is why, though there is no video for that day. For now, let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour future chart for the S&P 500, and before I jump into the chart, I do want to point out that when I say something, it is something that I do. I'm a pretty transparent person, and I try to be as truthful as possible. And what you're seeing on the chart here is the hedge that we had in, just in case we saw something like this happen, because we bought down at about 41.15 for a long up toward this 4,300 area, looking for about 17 SPY points. And then we take a short-term hedge to protect that position so that when the market does do something like a curveball here and sell off, we're protected and we don't give up our capital. So our trading is not just we buy in hope or sell in hope. We actually have thought-out positions with a thought-out trading plan that helps our subscribers make money. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for later in the video. For the counts, guys, the two counts that we're looking at, okay, we're looking at, with this sell-off, they broke down the low here. So it does look like we could have a potential for this being the primary path, okay? A bigger A, B, C for 4. That would take us down toward the 40.25 to 39.80 region. We would look for support to hold there for the bulls, and then we'd look for that A, B, C move up in 5 toward 4,300. Okay, so that's the primary path. We're looking for them to kind of continue selling off in this C wave down to complete this wave 4. So this wave 4 would actually move over to this low. Then you know we've been talking about this being a diagonal for a while now, and wave 4 in diagonals generally gets into wave 1 territory, so this would fit the bill. And we would look for that and then this ABC up towards 4,300. Our alternate path, should that not play out, is that we make a deeper B wave here, this circle B, and the 4 is still over here. So we pull back but hold this low. So they sell off down to, you know, the 40.70 or 40.80 area, and then we start the C wave up from there. Okay, and that would also go towards 42.50 to 4,300. And we would know that this is happening if they can take out this high here at 41.70 that they got in the overnights the other night. If they can take out 41.70, it's a pretty strong indication we're on our way toward that 42.50 to 4,300 more directly. So if they hold above this low and we start to see them rally and take out this high, then this count would come to the primary count up towards 4,300. However, if they do break this low, then it becomes much more likely we're on our way down to the 42.25 to 39.80 area in the bigger wave 4. Over on the NASDAQ, okay, as you can imagine, a pretty similar setup on the NASDAQ to the ES, as they do pretty much trade in step. You have the potential for this bigger A, B, C down toward the 12,000 region, okay, to complete a bigger wave 4. And at that point, we would look for that A, B, C up towards the 13,000, 13,300 level at that point. So the wave 4 would just move over. You'd have a deeper wave 4 and then start the A, B, C higher. However, just like on the ES, if they can hold higher up here, we can get a deeper B wave and start that ABC higher toward 13,000 plus from there. And if they can hold the 12,300 region or so, just above this wave 4 low, or this low right here, which is currently marked as wave 4 until they break it. If we can hold above that and then take out the A wave high, that would be a strong indication we're on our way towards the 13,000 plus area on the NASDAQ. So could see a little deeper on both charts before we get that move higher, but I do expect support to hold, and I do still expect the moves up to 4,300 and 13,000 plus respectively. Guys, if you love the information I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It will take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to get in there and make sure you love it and become part of our trading team before you ever spend a penny. You can cancel at any time. We just started our training course, the Elliott Wave for Beginners course, and we'll be adding to that with other training courses as well, and they are also included in these membership plans. In the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions, a midday video where I go over where we're at in the counts and what to expect, as well as the training courses I just mentioned. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room. However, if you are looking for day trades as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. He gets you in at a cheap price and gets you big multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. It's something you kind of have to see to understand, and that's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account, trading mini ES futures, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms so we can all make some money together. All right, key takeaways for today. We're looking for the ES to push down. If it can push below this low over here at 40.60, then we would likely look to that 40.25 to 39.80 area for a deeper wave 4. However, if they can hold the B wave above this low and take out that high at 41.70, then we are probably well on our way to the 42.50 to 4300. Over on the NASDAQ, same type of setup. We're looking for them to push down potentially to the 12,000 to 12,100 region, then start the ABC up. However, if they can hold above this wave 4 low right here, we could see them start the move to 13,000 plus, which would be strongly indicated by taking out the A wave high. Guys, it's the weekend. Have a drink, enjoy your family, have a long, fun, safe, happy holiday weekend, and I will talk to you next week.